everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. We went to the the fashion outlets of Chicago today. I've been wanting to go there for years, always driving past, never stopping, and they have, it's like a high-end outlet mall where they have like Michael Kors, Coach, Prada, all those, you know, high-end names. And we finally went today. I took my kids into the Kipling store and they picked out a couple things for themselves with a sale of buy one get one free on wallets and change purses. And we went to the Michael Kors store for me. And I was thrilled to be in there. I was so happy. It was like Christmas for me, just walking around that store. And it was my first time there. And I bought 2 items there. And I'm so excited. I walked in and I knew exactly what I wanted. And I picked out the color with no problem. And I'm just so excited to share it with you. So we just got home and I'm shooting the video now. So let's get into the unboxing. So it is, of course, from the Michael Kors outlet. And I love the bag. I'm gonna keep the bag. Okay, so let's see. First, I'll do this. Okay, so I got this change purse. Well, it's like a wallet. I'm using it as a wallet, okay? And it's a change purse / wallet, I guess, but I won't use it for that. But, you know, I love it. And I love the color, and it's got the strap on it. And of course, it's the Saffiano leather. And it has Michael Kors in the gold. And it says Michael Kors on the clasp there. Zipper, and Michael Kors on the zipper. You can see it, but yeah, so I was really excited to get this. Let me see, let me find the tag. Regular price for this was, tag is not here, so let me get the receipt for it. $109. I think the color is called Blush and Fawn. And I got it for, it was 70% off, plus another 20%. I got it for, that would made it out to $33. And then I got an additional 10% because I gave them my email address. So the total price for this before tax was $23.76. And oh, it's beautiful. And I love it. And I'm going to change into it right away. My main thing was being able to just fit this in my pocket. And they let me put it in my pocket to see if it would fit. And it fits perfect without showing. And it's beautiful. I love it. It's got the care card that normally comes with it. It's got a pocket inside. And then it says Michael Kors in the blush color there. Let's take out the salt. And what's this? This is just cardboard. So yeah, is that another salt? Oh, that's the security tag right there. But yeah, oh, it's beautiful and I love it. I'm so happy with it. All right, so now let's get into the big item. Okay, so I've been looking online and watching videos about this bag, this purse, and it was like, I decided yesterday that this was gonna be my next Michael Kors purchase. So it was the first thing I asked for when we went into the outlet store. And let's see here. I got the medium Michael Kors Selma bag in the blush color. It is so pretty, and I held it up against other things, other purses, other colors, to see how it would look with anything all year round, and it looks great next to everything. It is so pretty. It's a neutral pink, and it's just beautiful. So let's take off all this stuff, the wrapping. Yes. The strap, or the handles, it's Saffiano leather. Oh, it's just beautiful. And it has the gold hardware again. Let's see. The gold hardware here. See, I love purses with straps now. I bought that other bag. I just posted last week with that video of the zip top tote. And I love it. I really do love it. But it doesn't have a strap, so we got stuffing. Here is the crossbody strap. So it does not come with a dust bag, which is kind of sad, but it is an outlet. And you open it up, let's see. So the retail price for this bag is $3.98. And it's in the color Ballet. Sorry, I think I said blush before, but it's in the color Ballet. And let's see what I paid for this one. So regular price for this one was the $3.98. It was on sale for 70% off. Here's the receipt. So 70% off. Plus an extra 20% off, brought it down to $159.20, and then I got another 10% for the email, so I paid $114.62 for this purse. So my total payment there was $152.58, and Michael Kors and Rosemont. Okay, let's cut this off. So one thing about going there and shopping is be sure it's what you want it, because there's no returns. So all sales are final, which I guess would be with all outlet malls or outlet stores. And then the pink and ballet, just to match the purse. We're going to stick that on right now because I will be using that. I'll just have to make it longer. Oh, and if you look, it does say Michael Kors on the clasp. All right, so there we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. So it has a zip pocket here with the care card. And then it's on this side, it has another pocket. But I do see it does not have the key fob. I don't know if that's normal in the Selma satchels, but this one does not have it. And it's okay, I don't need it. But that is my new bag. I'm super, super excited about it. Okay, so I put the strap on and I put it at the longest length, and it is not long enough to be a crossbody, which is okay for me. Because like I said before, I am 6 feet tall, so I need it to be super long. But as long as I can put it on my shoulder, it will work. So there it is, my new beautiful Selma. And I think I'm gonna switch over to it now, and then I will show you what fits in there. This is what it looks like full. So I didn't take the tag off yet, but I've changed into my new Michael. That right there. I love the wristlet, and I love that I can take it off if I decide to. But that's what it looks like with all of my stuff inside. It holds everything that I need. And it is a little heavy, but it's to be expected, right? With Saffiano leather. So that is my new Michael Kors purse. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed watching it, or if you just love this purse like I do, or if you just love Michael Kors, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys again later. Bye.